A Compsognathus approaches.
Hi, Bobby. What are you doing here?
It moves toward the eggs.
Oh, Bobby. These are the Drake Rex's eggs. You can't eat them. Show me a toy. Do you want the Drake Rex's eggs too? A Brontosaurus. You have the Drake Rex's eggs now too. Uh-oh. How am I supposed to save these eggs from 3 carnivores?
A tidal crashes on the ground next to a baby dino.
Dino Dare! Rex Adventures!
A large pterosaur flies over a park. Doug plays tug of war with a baby theropod. Shrek throws food into a Margosaurus's mouth, then runs away. A Psittacosaurus chases Shrek as he rides his bike next to a gigantic sauropod. Shrek jumps into a swimming pool where a Plesiosaurus swims with its baby. A Cosmoceratops stomps through the streets, and 2 Stegosauruses climb a sandy hill. Doug is almost snatched up by a giant crocodile. Dino claws scratch at a tidal.
Dino Dare! Rex Adventures! Dino Egg Hunt!
Shrek stands guard over the nest, protecting it from the carnivores.
Compsognathus, Dinosaurs, Albertosaurus. Don't even think about it. These eggs are yours. You just got saved by the ladies. Oh, hey, Drake Rex. Now I gotta go, but there's some carnivores that think your eggs look pretty tasty. Well, at least I think they were after your eggs. Sounds like a dino experiment to me. Excuse me. Bye, Drake Rex.
The kids sit and laugh before class starts.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Harper.
I have a surprise for you today.
Is it candy? Or presents? Or both?
Even better, it's eggs.
Eggs?
Yep, hard-boiled eggs. We're gonna paint them for an egg hunt in the schoolyard.
Cool.
Shrek sees the carnivores out the window.
Miss Carver, that's amazing.
Glad you like the lesson plan.
It's amazing for figuring out my brand new dino experiment. There are these 3 dinos that tried to take an egg from a nest.
What does a dino want an egg for?
Probably eat it. Lots of animals have eggs, like snakes, skunks, weasels, and raccoons. Do they like the
Penny.
egg scrambled or sunny side up? With or without ketchup?
Penny.
Just plain in the shell. What's a dino experiment? It's dino
Good girl.
419. Compsognathus, Dinosaurs, and Albertosaurus eat eggs.
How are you gonna figure that out?
Well, I haven't thought that far ahead.
Why don't you think about it while we paint eggs?
I know. I'll paint my eggs to look like the Drake Rex's eggs. It's the perfect dino bait for egg-eating carnivores. But aren't dino eggs really big?
This is Winnie.
Well, some are.
This is Charlie.
It all depends on the size of the dino. It's the same eggs. See? Ostrich eggs are
This
really
is Penny.
big. Chicken eggs like this one are medium-sized, and insect eggs are really small. So this
That's
egg
Winston.
is the perfect size to be Drake Rex egg.
Oh,
Okay,
what a good
let's get
boy.
painting.
This is Jenny.
Shrek sets to work covering his eggs with little blue spots. Now, the kids gather outside.
Good boy. Good boy. Good potty.
I've hidden all your
Yeah,
eggs.
good Come here.
Dino eat eggs too?
Come here.
Cool. Now I just gotta see if the dinos are trying to find my dino.
You trying to get my
I
blanket?
don't know for sure if they're egg eaters.
You are, aren't you?
Okay, class. The rules of the egg hunt are very simple. The student who collects the most eggs wins. Are you egg hunters ready?
Ready? Set! In air! Just kidding! Start in the slot! You see the eggs? I got one! Score 1 for the Schlitz! Come on, guys! I bet there are some eggs hidden on the playground. Come on! Yeah, let's go. Okay. And I bet the compy will lead me to a dino bidder. Hello, compy.
Shrek follows the Compsognathus.
Wait up!
The little dino leads Shrek to an egg hidden by a tree.
Compsognathus, you found one! Nice egg hunting.
Oh, she's
one
got the
thing's for
little
sure,
toy.
You are definitely definitely an egg eater. Next up, the Dromaeosaurus and the Albertosaurus. Bye, buddy.
He approaches some kids at the playground.
Hey, have you guys
Hi,
seen the
Benny.
Dromaeosaurus or the Albertosaurus around?
I haven't seen any dinos track, but I do see another.
Hey, Winnie.
And the Schlutz gets another one.
She's like an egg magnet, you know? Let's follow her. Let's do it. Let's go. Come on.
I'm gonna follow him.
It's Charlie.
Dromaeosaurus. Now let's see if we can make you a
Oh.
dino egg.
There he is.
Nearby, the Compsognathus carries the egg from earlier.
Wait, Dromaeosaurus, you don't believe you get any egg? Unless you're gonna go to Compsognathus. Oh, you're probably gonna try to take his egg. This I gotta see.
The Dromaeosaurus roars at the smaller dino.
Whoa, Dromaeosaurus, you really